So we're just working on this Stihl trimmer. Good old Stihl trimmer. It's a KM56RC. Again, that's KM56RC. If you're still life, you understand what this is. This has a Kombi motor on it. Here's the old carburetor. I rebuilt it. with some aftermarket parts. I'm not even gonna lie. This whole upper part of the carburetor is rebuilt with aftermarket parts. I figured why not. I think even the gasket too, there is aftermarket. I rebuilt it. It still operated the same way. I tried to adjust it to no success. It still, it still operated the same way. So I figured I'd just go ahead and change the carburetor out. Just depending on your budget, you can go ahead and just replace the carburetor altogether. It's only about $39 to $45 depending on your retailer. This is what you'll get right here. I just wanted to make this video real quick just to help you eliminate a few steps or make a few steps easier for you. So take it off. You're going to take off the airbox cover. It's just that start bit there. I'm not exactly too sure what size that is. Let's see, what am I using? You can't see that, so I'll just read it to you. T27, Torx 27. It's what's fitting up in there for me. I don't know if that's the exact size, but it fits up in there snugly. So you have a Torx head on here. Then you have, once you take the Torx head off, you'll have access to the actual airbox. It's going to be two 8-inch nuts on this airbox. Before you even get to those nuts, you're going to have to remove the filter. Once you remove the filter, you'll get to the nuts. Remove the nuts. Remove the nuts. Then you have a gasket. So this will also help you if you disassembled it and you're not sure how the carburetor goes back into the system. That green gasket right there has 2 holes in it. That's for the one that meets the manifold. So here we go. So when you're disassembling it, it's pretty straightforward. When you take the airbox off, it's going to be, where you at? It's inside of something here. Oh, there we go. Right there. It'll be inside of that right there. That little vent. That little vent is what this is plugged up to. You just pull it right off of there. Gotta get the airbox off. Then you're right at the carburetor with the carburetor. For better access to the carburetor, you're gonna actually take off the straw out. There's 3 of those Torx 27 screws on there, so you just take the 3 out. There'll be 1 at the top, I believe, and 2 at the bottom. You just remove those, and that whole straw to come off. So you'll have better access to get to the return, the main, and the throttle. So to remove the throttle, all you're going to do is, sorry, I'm doing this on the phone, so the camera isn't all that great. You're going to want to move it around to get the throttle cable out. You can also activate the throttle. You can also activate the throttle so that it can come out easier as well. Let me see which way it's turning. So it pushes down, so you can finagle it to get the throttle cable out. When you're disconnecting the gas lines, make sure that you open up the tank. This is a pressurized system, so when it's locked, you're pressing the bulb, it's building up pressure in the system. So if you go to release that line, which that main gas line is on the bottom, the return line is on the top. It'll pretty much squirt out on you because it's still pressurized. So just do yourself a favor, just twist it counterclockwise and open up the release tab. Well, open up the release tab, twist it counterclockwise, it'll release the pressure in the system and the lines will come off a lot easier. Whatever method you use to take the lines off, that's what you go with. There's no one distinctive measure to get those lines off. You just want to break the seal. You could do that with a screwdriver, with a pick. You probably don't want to do it with a pick because you could damage the line. A flathead screwdriver is probably a little better, just as long as you're staying at the base of the gas line or the return line. That'll get those lines off of there, just breaking the seal. They also make gas line tools. I have a few, but none that are this small. So do that, take those lines off, pull your carburetor off, put the new one on, or rebuild it and put it back on, and reverse the steps that was just explained. That's all I wanted to get to you. It's real simple. They have a lot of videos out there on different Stihl, weed eaters, trimmers, and all that kind of stuff. This one is a particular style, so I just wanted to get this one out here. That's pretty much it. What makes this system so different is that everything is connected to the tank pretty much. So this whole bottom assembly comes off and it'll be the tank and everything with it. That's all I have for you. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I hope this helped you out. I wasn't intending on telling you how to get the carburetor apart. I just wanted to let you know about the gas lines and stuff like that. But hopefully, this helps your project go by a little faster. Thanks. Peace.